Look at the sentence. Old Sam sunbathed beside a stream. Now we are making a tree diagram of this sentence. The first segment of the sentence, Old Sam. And Old Sam can be further divided into two parts, Old and Sam. Because Old has direct connection with the word Sam. Old does not have direct connection with the word stream or beside or sunbathed. Remember this point. It's very, very important to understand the hierarchical structure of a sentence. We move on to the next. Sunbathed. We have the next word. But this word is further divided into sunbathe as verb, and then we change into past, we add D. Then we have the word beside a stream, another chunk of the sentence. Further, we can divide this into beside and then a stream. And then a stream has two components, a and a stream. Likewise, we can make tree diagram of any sentence in order to understand the syntactic patterns, syntactic components in the making of a sentence. And this makes a lot of sense because merely words don't convey everything. We continue. So what we come to the point is that mere words are not immediate constituents of the sentence. The words in a sentence must work in groups. They must develop immediate relationship with each other, as we talked about, like Old Sam, sunbathed beside a stream. We continue to discuss this point. The words which form groups are known as phrases, and phrases have their own position in the structure of the sentence. We continue to talk about the same idea. In short, while sentences certainly contain words, they don't consist of words. They consist of phrases. This is very important. They consist of phrases, and phrases are further divided into words, like we have just talked about. Old Sam sunbathed beside a stream. These are the phrases. We continue to hit upon the same idea. Having recognized it as a phrase, we must treat its words as parts, not directly of the sentence, but of the phrase itself. This phrase is intermediate between the sentence and its words, just as wheels are intermediate between the bicycle and its spokes. I hope this makes the idea very much clear. In summary, what we come to understand is that hierarchical structure consists of parts or elements of something complex arranged in orderly form. That is the basically idea, philosophy behind the hierarchical structure of a sentence. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.